How to link Chimple Kids App to Chimple Class App. This is an important step for teachers to help evaluate and monitor students' performance. On the home screen of the app, the student appears in the bottom row of the screen, which is in the gray shade. By clicking on the student's name, you will see the profile of the student. At the bottom, you will see Generate Invite Code. Click on it and you will receive a 6-digit number. A teacher has to share the code with the parent by clicking on the share button to send it through a medium like SMS or WhatsApp on the student's registered mobile number individually. Once the parent receives the code, ask the parent to open Chimple Kids app. On the Chimple Kids home screen page, among the three icons on the top, click on the middle one. In the box, enter the OTP that you have received from the teacher. Once the student enters the code, it is now connected to Chimple Class. In the Chimple Class app, you will see an option connected to home device with a tick mark beside it, and the name of the student will move into either red, orange or green band on the home screen. The teacher can add and invite a new student anytime by clicking on this plus icon.